Yahoo. In the name of who, I start the second video that I made this morning regarding the Bitcoin in 5 minutes time. This is the second video. Please refer to the first video that I have made. If you remember, we entered to the market here. The software told us to sell the market, although we went and passed through the resistance line, which used to be resistant, and changed to support, but did not respect the support line and came through. If you remember, if you watched the first video that I have made, I said market would come here and would bounce, and we put a profit taking in this level, and I said it would go to this area and then it would bounce again, and then market went up. I wasn't at the computer at the time, otherwise I could actually buy the market again and make twice profit, one in selling and when buying. Why this happened? Because the market went under the 60 moving average. This is simple 60 moving average. If I put a property, you can see moving average level is 60. It's very simple on the apply close, and the shift is 0, and the color is dark blue. Every Meta4 or Meta5 platform, they have this indicator. All those indicators are free. Actually, as you can see, the time now is 5th of October. On the chart is 8:20. I put the time, you see it's 8:40 and 8:45. The time frame is 5. Why the market came here and went under the 60 moving average, even to the buying zone, and then we have to buy. The indicator would tell us to buy the market, and if you are on the computer, and then you can actually buy the market in this, but it doesn't mean that any market goes under the 60 moving average we have to buy, or if it goes above the 60 moving average we have to sell. No, I put this 60 moving average just to tell me where the market, where the price is at actually at the time. We cannot rely on this moving average. I know many traders would say 20 moving average or 50 moving average or 200 moving average are strong support and resistance, and market would bounce to it. It's true, but not all the time. As you can see, market here did not even respect the 60 moving average and just went through it. Did not bounce. It would bounce if it actually merged with the pattern. The pattern is important. The pattern in the past, there is some pattern for buying and selling. If those patterns merge with the support and resistance, or merge with the moving average, then it would work. But moving average by itself or support or resistance by itself means nothing. I know they are strong. I know that here is resistance, market is bounce, but how do we know if market comes here, it would bounce and goes back? Sometimes, would not respect this resistance and would pass through. And many traders would say fake breakout, which is not true. This is not fake breakout. This is actually pattern in the past with the support and resistance in the past. Then market actually go back and retest it again. So please do not misunderstood me. I'm not saying anything against other educational things that people are saying on the online, on the YouTube or any channel or any educational program. Support and resistance are important. There is no doubt about that. Of course, market comes here, is a resistance, is with the naked eyes you can see it would bounce. But how do we know that it's not going to be, for example, break up at this time? But this way, market break through the resistance. This resistance was very strong, once, twice, third time, market tried to break it and did not have power to break it, but suddenly break it. But why didn't actually bounce back again and didn't go up? Why without any hesitation actually came through it? The reason is a pattern. Those patterns that I'm talking about, there are many patterns, but you have to identify those patterns in the past and then practice on those, and when those patterns same time hit the market, hit the support and resistance at the same time, then you can actually trade them. So this one came through, and then the indicator that my friend, my partner, he actually developed, and the software told us to sell the market 5 minutes time frame in the Bitcoin, and I sold it, and then we get the profit here. And please refer again to the first video. I said in this area market would bounce and go up, and as you can see the market went up exactly the same line. Show you this, see, and this area market actually went back. If I was on the computer, I could actually buy the market again twice, sell it, make profit, and buy it again to this area. Did not even go above it, and then this is the way we can trade. Hopefully in future, when everything goes well, we can introduce that signal to public, and people actually can use it and get benefit out of that. We are not after your money. We are not trying to make a signal company and take people money and trade with the people money. We try to help other people as well if we can. First of all, we trade with our money, and also, as I have mentioned before, the reason I put this video on the YouTube is not because I want to make money out of the affiliate marketing or getting like or subscribe or something like that. No, we're not making money from advertising. We're making money through the trade. We trade our own money with our own risk. There is actually a platform that I use in future. If we agree with my partner, then we probably say which platform. But if you go to that platform, you can actually see us, how we trade, and you can copy us. At the moment, I'm not trying to introduce any brokers because I'm not getting money from anyone, and I'm not going to get money from anyone anyway. We are not promoting those companies. So please, if you want to choose any broker, try to find a broker. They have MT4 or MT5 in your country. They have some office, so actually you can contact them if you have problem. Don't trust any platform which they are not having any office in your country. If you are living in Asia, if you're living in Europe or USA or Canada or Australia, try to find a broker that they are regulated and they are actually in your country, and you can actually talk to them physically by phone, or actually go and see them in case if you have any problem. Because there are so many sharks in the market, there are very many conmen, and they make those platforms in the market, and then they take in your money and then they disappear. So be careful about your money, and when you want to try, first you trade it with a demo account. If you're happy and if you see that you are making money, then you actually go and open the real account with a small lot with your own risk. So hopefully this works for everybody. We try to give our experience free of the charge to the other people, just to helping the people in hard time that everybody at the moment they are struggling in their life. So hopefully if it works, and everyone get the benefit out of this experience that we are offering it to the public for free. Thank you.